Hello, welcome to this Market Strategy Hub. In this video, I'll explain the short strangle strategy and also answer an important question: is it safe? I will demonstrate the strategy step by step using Opstra. This is Opstra Strategy Builder, so beginners can easily understand how the profit and risks work. So the question is, what is short strangle? A short strangle is an option selling strategy. In this strategy, traders sell OTM call option and OTM put option. The goal is the market stay in a range bound, so the option lose value with time and the seller keeps the premium. This strategy is commonly used in index trading like Nifty 50. So let's see this strategy. Right now market is at 24,469. In this strategy, in this example, we will sell 23,950 PE, that is on lower side, with premium of 83.1. One loss, that is for March 10 weekly expiry, and 24,950 call, that is upper side, upper leg, at the premium of 50.1. The one loss at 10 March weekly expiry. Both this strike price are OTM, that is out of the money option strike. When we sell this both call option, we collect premium from these both legs. So probability of profit is 69.99%. Max profit is 8,658, that is 4.25%. Max loss here is undefined. It means maximum loss is unlimited. Here break evens is 23,817 on the lower side, and on the upper side is 25,083.0. Net credit is 8,658. Estimated margin or premium to use in this strategy is 2,03,879. This is the payoff chart. Now look at the payoff chart. We can see the maximum profit happens when the market stay within this zone, that is the 9,950 PE and the 4,950 go. The profit zone is roughly between 24,000 950 and 23,950 PE. As time passes, the option lose value. loss value due to time decay, which benefit the seller. Now the important question is it safe? This strategy safe? Short Strangle has limited profit. See, it has a limited profit of 8,000 rupees out of 2,03,879. Only profit of 8,658, which is very less compared to the margin deploy. And the maximum loss is unlimited. If the market moves strongly upwards, that is here, strongly upwards beyond this point, a trader will incur loss. And if the market moves strongly downward beyond this point, that is 25,083, a trader will incur loss. But trader profit will decrease if it passes this zone. If the market crosses this zone, that is 29,950 PE, profit of the trader will decrease as long as it's stay within, below 23,817. A trader will make profit, but the real loss will start when it crosses 22,815 on the lower side. This side goes the same. When it crosses 23,950 PE, a trader profit will start decreasing, but when it crosses this zone, that is 25,083, a trader profit will start diminish and start incurring losses. So this is the idea. If the market moves strongly downward, the put option can lose increase. So if the market makes a big move, losses can become large and unlimited. So the question is, why do traders still use this strategy? Even with risks, many traders use this strategy because most of the time market moves sideways. Time decay works in favor of the option sellers. Premium from both option increase income potential. That is the main reason. But professional traders usually manage risks carefully. They manage risks carefully, like if the market near towards this lower leg, professional traders they exit or sometimes they make adjustment. Likewise, on the upper side too, if the market move towards upper leg, they exit or they make adjustment. So the short triangle strategy works best when the market stay range bound. It can generate income from both option premium, but trader must understand the risks involved. If you like what you see and want more videos like this, do hit like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching.